Hey, this is Nathan Clark with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty, and check out this quick video on what to look for at an open house. If you like more videos like this, check us out at nathanclarkteam.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe below. So what to look at an open house? When you go to an open house, people are milling around, coming in and out. The agent may be talking with you or showing you things they want you to see in general. Lots of activity and distractions going on. However, it may be best interest to look a little closer. And here are 3 things you want to do to look a little deeper. First thing, you want to look at odors and smells. A musty odor can indicate water damage, even if you don't see standing water on the property. Check walls, ceilings for water lines. They probably indicate flooding from a leak or a burst pipe that may have caused internal damages. Also, take a peek at exposed piping in basements or laundry rooms and check for rust, subtle water stains, or leaking. And if candles are lit, they may be something that the seller may be looking to hide, so that's something that you want to look at. But a lot of people have candles during open houses and showings. Maybe they have a dog. They don't want the dog smell in the house there. But if you see an overuse of candles or air fresheners, they may be trying to hide something there. Of course, a home inspector would likely find all these things for you, but why get to the point if you can see them before you even buy the house? One of the things you want to look out for is mold. And without adequate interior ventilation, moisture really never evaporates, which can be really a breeding ground for mold. And you really don't want that. If you have any allergies or anything like that, that's really going to kick up with mold. So the tip-off, look for condensation on windows or slightly bubbled or peeling paint around the windows, doors, or vents. This can indicate moisture in the walls or ceiling drywall. Take a look at the windows. Pull back the curtains, check for lopsided frames, give the windows a try, open a few of them to make sure they slide easily. Windows that get jammed in the frames could be a sign of foundation issues, as noted above, settling or just poor installation. The last thing you want to have is a drafty windows or windows that need replacement after you buy a house. If you like more tips like this, I got a great report on our website. You can check out home inspection tips, and it gives you some good pointers out there. Check us out at nathanclarkteam.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call at 401-232-7661. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.